Hello, viewers of JackLife US, welcome. Today's topic is NVDIA going down, how to make money.
我这个人一向爱恨分明，眼里容不得沙子。你若负了我，那些誓言便不算数了。我会弃了你，永不相见。
So what to do when my beloved stock goes down? Today's video is structured as follows. 1. Show my Robinhood account, cash generated from options. 2. Introduce call credit spread option to make money, specifically useful when my stock goes down. 3. I'll show you how to do it. This is realized profit generated from my Robinhood stock trading account last week. $1,683. Most cash is generated using put credit spread option, as described in my previous video titled, What to Do When Not Have Enough Cash for Stock Buying. However, some cash is also made by using today's option, call credit spread option. Here is cash generated in 2026 so far, $10,622. As you can see, in the early month I used simple options such as covered call or sell put often did not work well. Only after I learned advanced option, I begin generate more cash weekly. Call credit spread can make good cash for you. I typically use call credit spread option on stock that meets the below 3 conditions. 1. This stock may go down sometime over the next 42 days. 2. At time of using this option, this popular stock's price has recently went up and the upward trend seems stopped. 3. The stock is quite volatile, for example, earning report is coming up and will have large price swings, and many people are buying it, i.e. high volume. Everybody loves NVIDIA. After a long oscillation around $190, in early May, NVIDIA began to rise above $210. On May 13, 2026, although NVDIA stock's upward trend slowed and it's going down soon. Why I think NVIDIA is going down? Because its earning report on May 20th, 2026. NVIDIA is known to be down after a strong earning report. Robinhood made options super easy. In Robinhood app, go to NVIDIA option, choose call credit spread. First, I want to set the call credit spread's expiration date, June 26, 2026. That's about 42 days away. Second, choose spread width, 5. Third, choose sell call at strike price 240 and buy call at 245. Submit and let the option be executed, and done. So what does this NVIDIA 240/245 call credit spread mean? First, sell call at 240. This means I am obligated to sell 100 shares of NVIDIA at $240 if it goes above $240 on or before expiration. If I sell something, I will make money. For sell call at 240, I will make $905. Second, buy call at 245. If NVIDIA goes above 245, I am guaranteed to buy it at 245, no matter how high it goes. For example, even if NVIDIA rises to $1,000 per share, due to this option insurance, I will pay $245 per share. The collateral is spread width times 100, $500. The credit I received from this call credit option is 905 minus 755, which is $150. Basically, I used $500 as a collateral and bet NVIDIA price will be below $240 sometime within the next 42 days.
Here is a profit or loss breakdown of NVIDIA 240/245 call credit spread option. If NVIDIA is $240 or below at expiration, I will make $150. If NVIDIA rise to 241.5, the break-even price, I will make $0. If NVIDIA actually go above 245, I will lose a maximum of negative $350. If the NVIDIA price fall between the call strike price and break-even price, the profit/loss will be somewhere in the middle.
Wow, Ava, you're so good at numbers. Let's see how my call credit spread performs now. As of May 27th, 2026, NVDA is trading around $212, which is well below my 242.45 call credit spread. Since the option hasn't expired yet, my current profit is only about $105. But here's the key. With NVIDIA unlikely to jump above $240 in the next week, there's no reason for me to close early. So I'm letting it ride until expiration. On June 26, 2026, I'll get my $500 collateral back. That means I'll likely walk away with $150 profit on a $500 collateral requirement over 42 days. That's roughly a 30% return. For a single credit spread, that's a pretty solid deal.
Hi, Jack. I have a question for you. You bet NVIDIA is going down. Why not directly do a simple $240 sell call? Why call credit spread option is better than a sell call option?
Great question, Ava. Let's break it down with a simple comparison. To sell a $240 covered call on NVIDIA, you'd need 100 shares, which is roughly $22,700 in collateral. The most you can make from that trade is about $2,205, giving you an ROI of around 10%. Now compare that to a 242.45 call credit spread. This strategy only requires $500 in collateral and can generate about $150 in profit. That's a 30% ROI, which is significantly higher. Both strategies make money when NVIDIA goes down or stays below the strike. But here's the big difference: risk. If NVIDIA suddenly skyrockets, say it jumps to something wild like $1 million per share, the covered call seller could lose millions. With a call credit spread, the maximum loss is capped at $350. It's controlled, limited, and defined from the start. That's the power of using spreads instead of naked calls. There are 4 rules of call credit spread. First, use this option on high volatile, high volume stocks. Second, the expiration date should be set 42 days away. Rule 3, for every dollar spread, you are looking for credit between $0.3 to $0.4. For example, a 901,000ths call credit spread should make money about $300 to $400. Rule 4. Set the option strike price of sell call and buy call as high as possible, as long as Rule 3 is met. Here is a useful tip. After several weeks passed and the stock price did fall below strike price, you can close the option early to lock in the profit.
Hi, Jack. Can you give me more examples of call credit spread?
Sure, Ava. Here is another successful example. There is a stock called INFQ. I noticed the stock goes up to a high on April 17th, 2026. I think it will go down soon. So I did a 17.5/22.5 call credit spread on it with expiration date of May 15th, 2026. As you can see, the stock did fall and I close it early on May 4th. I easily walk away with $166.
我这个人一向爱恨分明，眼里容不得沙子。你若负了我，那些誓言便不算数了。我会弃了你，永不相见。
Hi, Jack. Just curious. So if I fall down a cliff, will you go down with me?
Hi, Ava. That's a silly question. I'll help you to be in a safe, mind-healthy, and economically healthy environment, so you'll never think about going down a cliff. Ava, you're doing a fantastic job with numbers and option trading. Let's finish up our video. In summary 1, when stock goes down using call credit spread option. For example, use $1,000 as collateral, make money around $300 to $400. Use small money to win big. 2, if I lose there is only limited loss, sell call and buy call cancel out. 3, this option strategy is very useful for hot, high volatile stock which recently just rises and slows. If you find this video useful, please subscribe Jack Life US, and let's make money together.